Good morning, students. As you have got the idea from the message, we are going to learn today about fruits. Okay? So first we will do the recognition. This is red color strawberry. This is red colored strawberry. This is grapes. This is grapes. Now what is this? The color of this fruit is orange and the name of this fruit is also orange. Now what are these? Tell me fast. Yes, these are apple. These are apples. Now this is a very healthy fruit and it has a brown covering, but when you cut it open it comes in green color. This is kiwi. This fruit is kiwi. It has black seeds. Now what are these? These are pomegranates. These are pomegranates. Anar. In Hindi we call it anar. Pomegranates. What are these? Yellow colored fruit? Yes, these are bananas. Bananas. Now these are red colored cherries. These are red colored cherries. Now this green color fruit is guava. This is guava. Now this purple colored fruit is plum. P for plum. Now this fruit is the king of all fruits. Yes, it's a mango. This one is a mango and all together we call it mangoes. Now this orange and green color fruit, this is a papaya. This one is a papaya. Again it has black round seeds in the middle. Now this is a very hard covering fruit. This fruit has a very hard covering from outside. It is of yellow and sometimes mixed green color. What are these? These are pineapple. These are pineapple. Now coming to this is pear. This is pear. Fruit pear. And this one is green colored watermelon. Yes, you're right. And when you cut it open, what color you see? Yes, when you cut a watermelon, you get a red color to see. So, these are some fruits. Today we are going to do some writing part. For that, you will take out your journal awareness book and you will come to page number 2121. Here you will write down the date, that is 1919.8.2020 and c.w. Now parents can see that these fruits are having very long spellings. So we are only writing the spellings, but we will learn the few names of fruits which we are going to do in our EVS notebook. These are only for writing purpose, not for learning. Okay? So children, let's start. Look at the pictures and fill in the boxes. What is this? It's a watermelon. So I am going to write the spelling. You will write same as me. W-A-T-E-R. Water. M-E-L-O-N. After O you will write letter N. Watermelon. Now tell me, what is this? This is a banana. So B-A-N-A, banana. Now tell me, which is this one? This is a plum. This is a Plum. P-L-U-M. P-L-U-M, plum. Now we are going to write about this. What is this? This is a strawberry, and the strawberry spelling is S-T-R. Now A is already written. W. Straw. B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Now what is this? This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Now children, what is this? This is a pear. This is a pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Now, which is this fruit? It's of orange color, and again its name is orange. So, spelling of orange is O-R-A-N-G-E. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Now we are going to write about this. This is cherry. Yes, C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Parents, again I am saying that these spellings are not for learning, but if the child can learn, then you may proceed with it, but we do not recommend learning of this spellings. Now we are going to write some of the fruits name in our notebook. As we have not done the joining, so we will be doing all the work in capital letters. First of all, you will write the date 19.8.2020. Ask the children to write date very neatly and small. This is their first experience of writing in copy in this class, LKG. Then C.W. Now, these spellings they have to learn. First of all, you will write down the heading. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. N-A-M-E. Name. N-A-M-E. Name. Fruits name. What are we writing? Fruits name. The first one with the shortest spelling which we are going to learn is plum. P-L-U-M. Plum. Then second, P-E-A-R. Pear. Remember, you have to learn these spellings. Plum, pear. Now we are going to write about kiwi. The green colored fruit from inside. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Sound of K is K. Sound of I is E. Sound of W is W. And sound of I is again E. K-E-W-E. Kiwi. This is pear. Then P. Sound is P. Sound of L is L. Sound of U is A. And sound of M is M. P-L-M. Plum. Plum, pear, kiwi. Now the fourth one we will write apple. A P P L E. Apple. And the fifth one is mango. M A N G O, mango. So this work we will do at home. You are going to learn the spellings. Your homework is learn, and these you have to learn with spellings. And here on this page you will paste the pictures. Paste the pictures of the fruit. Pictures of some fruit. Okay? And I recommend you take only those fruits which are written here. This is your homework. Now children, come to this page 1919. Page is also 19 and date is also 19. It is a very easy concept. So we will do it in classwork. You just have to circle the foods item that can be peeled by hands or a peeler. By hand means जिन्हें हम हाथों से छील सकते हैं, or a peeler. Children, this is a peeler. You have to use a peeler or you have to use your hand. You are going to tell me. Do we use peeler for peeling an egg? The covering of egg? No, but we use our hands. So either we use hand or peeler. For those things we are going to circle. Like egg we can peel by hand after boiling. Now grapes we cannot peel, so we will not circle it. Same is about the lady finger. If we peel a lady finger, it will remove its shape. It will not be in proper shape, so this vegetable cannot be peeled. Now tell me, what is it? As you can see, both these fruits are same. This is an orange, and an orange can be peeled with the hand. So we are going to circle it. Now tell me about this. It's a potato. Potato, children, how do you peel? Or can you peel it or not? Yes, you can peel it, and we use a peeler for removing its cover, for peeling it. So we will circle it. Now what is this? It's a turnip. Yes. Can we peel it? Yes. And how do we peel it? We peel it with the help of a peeler. So again we will circle on this turnip. Now tell me, can you peel an apple with a peeler or your hand? Yes. How do we peel it? We peel it with a peeler. So we are going to circle it. We can remove its upper covering. Now tell me about this banana. Do you remove its cover? Yes. How do you remove it? Yes, with our hands. So we are going to circle on our banana also. Now what is this? This is a corn. Yes. Corn, again, as you can see, these leaves are its covering, but we peel it with our hands. हम इसके कवर को अपने हैंड से रिमूव करके then we put it on fire. So again we are going to circle it. Now coming to this, do you peel a guava before eating? No? Yes, so we will not circle it. Children, I hope you understood the topics well. Take care, do practice, do reading from these pages. I am going to post in your classwork. Bye-bye.